Hi, it is Dave Robinson, Master German Odor Removal. I'm here at Ditch Witch of Arizona. They don't just rent the equipment, they use it. These guys are the real deal. So here's the owner, David Klingeman. If you need to rent equipment, this is your place. They know it all, and they know it well. Awesome. Hey, Ditch Witch of Arizona, if you need some equipment, they know it, they use it, they operate it. There's their sign right there. And that right there, David Klingeman, is the owner, operator, and he's been in the business for decades, man. He knows it in and out. So, if you need your germs gone, give me a call. If you need equipment to dig a hole, to drill sideways under the earth, to lay in your fiber cable, give a call to Ditch Witch of Arizona.